Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Mailchimp audience tags with the API, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update Mailchimp audience tags using the API, start by creating a Mailchimp account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the API keys section under account settings. Generate a new API key if you do not have one. Copy the API key for later use. Next, identify the audience ID for the list you want to update. You can find the audience ID in the audience dashboard or through the Mailchimp API. Make note of the specific member ID for the contact you want to tag. Now, open a text editor or code editor of your choice. To interact with the Mailchimp API, you can use a programming language like Python. Begin by installing the requests library if you're using Python. In your script, import the requests library to facilitate API calls. Next, define your API key, audience ID, and member ID as variables. Construct the API endpoint URL using the audience ID and member ID. The URL format should be https://dc.api.mailchimp.com/3.0/list/. Replace DC with the data center specific to your account, which can be found in your API key. Prepare a JSON payload to include the tags you wish to add or update. The structure should look like this: tags, name, tag_name, status, active. Modify tag_name to reflect the actual name of the tag you want to use. Next, create a headers dictionary to include authorization and content type. Your headers should look like this: authorization, a PyKey plus API_key, content type, application/JSON. Now, use the requests library to send a post request to the API endpoint with the capture the response from the API call to check for success or errors. Print the response status code and any returned messages for troubleshooting. If the status code is 204, your tags have been successfully updated. If errors occur, review the response message to identify any issues. You have now successfully updated Mailchimp audience tags using the API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.